Look at this. Massive typography, brutalist spacing, a responsive masonry grid with premium grayscale hover effects. This looks like a $10,000 digital agency portfolio. But today, for day 6, I'm going to show you how to build this from scratch in under 3 minutes using Cursor and Tailwind CSS. No Wix, no generic templates, just pure AI-generated code. Let's build it. We start in Cursor with a blank agent. Now, the secret to AI web design is you cannot just ask for a website. You will get a boring 2010 template. You have to prompt like an art director. Notice my instructions. I'm asking for a high-end minimalist portfolio using Tailwind CSS. I specify the aesthetic: brutalist, Apple-esque, stark white background, pure black typography. I explicitly ask for a masonry grid and Unsplash placeholder images. Your output is only as good as your vocabulary. Cursor goes to work and generates the baseline code. But here is where the AI becomes a true creative partner. It actually asks me if I want a second variant with even more brutalist typography and harder spacing. Like any good founder, I want the premium option. I tell it, yes, give me the brutalist variant. It rewrites the code with a heavier design language. Then, it tries to offer a third refinement with film grain and Apple-like easing. But as a tech founder, you have to know when to stop engineering and start shipping. The code is already agency tier, so I tell it, no, I want to view the page now, let's finalize. I create an index.html file and paste the ultra-brutalist code. Now, instead of just double-clicking the file like an amateur, we are going to spin up a local development server. In the terminal, I type python-mhttp.server5500. If you get a Windows firewall pop-up here, just hit allow. It's completely safe. Our server is live. We jump over to the browser, and there it is. Pure, minimalist elegance. The front end is fast, responsive, and visually striking. I've put the exact art director prompt I used in the description below, so you can generate this yourself. Tomorrow, for day 7, I am going to walk you through how AI cleans your existing code using Cursor Chat. Subscribe to Syntellia to learn how to use AI.